Welcome. In this video I will show you how to add your Steam account to your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. First of all, press the Xbox button right here and then select the Armory Create option, which is the launcher for your device, the ASUS launcher. Then here select the first tab and then tap on Steam. Now install the Steam application by tapping right here to install Steam. Once the setup file is installed, open it, then click yes and click next. Choose your language and click next once again. Then you can choose the destination folder by selecting browse and then selecting your destination folder, the desired destination folder, or you can just tap install right away. Then click finish to start running Steam. Wait until the update is installed. Now you're gonna have to sign into your Steam account. You can either use your mobile phone Steam application to sign in with QR code, or you can provide your credentials into the following fields. Now let me provide the password. Once you're done, tap sign in. Okay, let me re-enter the password. And then you're gonna have to confirm your identity either using Steam Guard or the code that you received on your email. So check your email for the code and provide it into the following field. Now let's wait. Okay, and from now on, whenever you press the Xbox button, you'll be able to switch to your Steam account by tapping the Steam icon. And so that's how you connect your Steam account to your ASUS ROG Xbox Ally X. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.